How exciting is this? My 3 colors of the Dental Shaman Ozone Water Flosser in the new purple packaging has arrived, ready for launch next week, July 2025. I just want to show you them. Here, have a look. So what color is this one? Okay, so we have the instructions, and this is the funky white design. Then the next one is the aqua blue. And what's the third one? Must be the metal grey one. Yeah, look at that. How beautiful. So gunmetal grey. And comes in this beautiful box. Lovely instruction manual, which I'd like to show you. Which is all online as a PDF as well on my website. That's beautiful explanations. It's quite high-tech technology here, so it's worth digesting before you actually use it. Please study all the do's and don'ts. One big tip was the other day, a friend of mine who was trialing one, he was using his Apple charger, and his Apple charger blew. So stick to the charger that's in the box, and the charging device and all the tech comes in this little white box. You get your tips, which we'll go through in a moment. And let's feed out the box. God, you can get it out. There we go. There's the charging cable. All right. And funky little travel bag with the logo. So what else is there to show you? Inside here is the cleaning tube, which is used once a month just to allow the ozone water to clean all the system so that you don't get algae growing and other kind of biofilms. So that's the great prevention tool for that sort of problem. Now inside this bag, there we go, are numerous attachment tips, all different designs for different purposes, and a tiny little scoop, because if some of you prefer to use very highly purified water, the ozonation only really works to its maximum benefit if there's a little bit of salt added. So there's a little scoop that we suggest you just put a little bit of salt in. It's really designed for tap water, and whilst there are purists out there would rather use purified water, that's for those people. But I'm quite comfortable personally using tap water, and it seems to work best with tap water. Don't know why, but that's the guidance from the manufacturer. So we have 3 different tips for different purposes: more of a brush tip, the standard tip, and a gun pocket tip, a very fine cannula type tip for cleansing deeper underneath pockets and inside pockets. And really my guidance there is for any of those kind of tips, work with your dental team to get guidance on how to get the best out of it. Or you can message me on my website and I'll guide you further. All right. And the water flosser has its reservoir that just gently pulls up and out. So it's nice and portable, and then expands to twice the size. Over the last 6 months, I've noticed a few people ending up getting cracks in these reservoirs. So be careful how you take the reservoir up and down. My personal suggestion is once it's up and it's staying in your bathroom, leave it up. You don't need to keep inserting it and pulling it back down. I've also got the manufacturer to send me more reservoirs. So they'll be on sale on the Shopify store. So you can actually purchase just the reservoir should you ever break it or have an accident with it. Okay. We also have the reservoir hole here where you put your water in. And if you're ever wanting to travel and just carry one of your tips, you can just put the tip inside and drop it in the hole and then close it again and then travel with your tip. And then when you need it, you just open up the nozzle, lo and behold. And when you want to insert it, there's a little push button on the side. and away we go. The settings are all on the side. I've done numerous videos on my YouTube channel and on the website, so just investigate those videos to understand all the functionalities, the different settings, etc. And that's it, in 3 magical colors. How exciting. Looking forward to really launching this product to the world and to inspiring incredible optimal oral health and ultimately therefore general health, because the mouth is the gateway to your optimal general health. Get your mouth right, you're highly likely to get the rest of your body right. So look forward to hearing your feedback. You can read all the testimonials already. There's plenty of great feedback for this amazing product, and I look forward to hearing yours in the very near future.